we're going to review some skincare products. This is an honest review. We do not have any endorsement here, and we'll try this if it's recommendable on your skin type and our skin type. Without any further ado, let's start, girlies!
So, we have here our skincare products. The first product is the J-Skin Beauty Serum. The second product is the Nivea Moisturizer. And the last product is the Hikari Sunscreen. But before using these products, we must clean our face. And girlies, before taking this vid, we already researched about their background info. So now, let's proceed to our first product, which is the J-Skin Beauty Serum by Johanna Antonina Lauyan. We will take just a little amount of this serum and put it all over our face. And tap it like this so our face can absorb the serum. So for me guys, I like the packaging since I like the color blue.
This serum contains hyaluronic acid, probiotics, peptides, and niacinamide. You can buy this serum for only 189 pesos. Available in Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, and Watsons.
As we all know, hyaluronic acid is good for the people who have dry skin, oily skin, or even an acne-prone skin. And not just that, it can also provide hydration and antioxidant protection and even can brighten your skin tone.
So, it has a fragrance. It smells good. The texture of this product is oily. After putting this serum on my face, for me as a sensitive skin, I cannot recommend this serum because it felt so itchy on my face. So, if you're sensitive skin, the first thing you need to do is do a patch test before trying this serum. By the way, the age limit of this product is 13 years old and above. So the next product is Nivea Moisturizer by Dr. Oscar Top Luis. So this product presumed to be effectively hydrate and nourish the skin due to its rich formulation like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and panthenol, which help maintain moisturized levels throughout the day.
You can buy this moisturizer for only 349 pesos at Watsons.
So the age limit of this product is 11 years old and above.
Yes, girl, and it cannot cause any greasiness or clogging pores on your face. So now, let's proceed to our last product, which is the Hikari Sunscreen by Esrel Plim. This sunscreen provides SPF 50 PA+++ that has a lightweight formula that is not greasy and can absorb quickly into the skin.
This sunscreen only costs 160 pesos and available in any online shopping apps.
This sunscreen has a age limit for 13 and above.
So, as you can see, it's effectively instant brighten your skin and has a tone-off effect and a broad-spectrum sunscreen. So, as you all know, broad-spectrum sunscreen protection is perfect for daily use because it is protecting the skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays.
But for morena girlies like me, this sunscreen is not recommendable because it has a white cast. But if you want a sunscreen that has a white cast, then go for this sunscreen.
I'll recommend it for girls who have a light skin like me and want a tone-off effect in their face. We'll just put a little amount of makeup to end this final look. We'll be right back! Girlies, for us as students, is overall recommendable for its price and quality. So this is the end of our vlog. Don't forget to like,
Subscribe
and click the notification bell below. Bye!